Are you still putting off your first YouTube video? Let's fix that. Your channel trailer is the perfect place to start, and today I'll show you step by step using AI. Your channel trailer script only needs to cover 4 things: who you help, what your channel is about, why it matters, and then you need to flex a little. Show your credibility. That's it. You don't need anything more complicated than this. We're going to use ChatGPT. Now, if you're starting new with ChatGPT and haven't given it any information about your channel, use this prompt and replace my details with your own. But hopefully you've used ChatGPT to formulate some of your ideas and give it a lot of context about what you're planning to do. In that case, you're starting off in a lot better place, and then you can just simply use this prompt. And then once you've got a sample script, review it and make it sound more like you. Once your script is ready, it's time to record. You don't need any fancy setup. I just use my iPhone on a tripod and hit record. B-roll is optional for this video, but if you're feeling ambitious, go ahead. I record B-roll on an old iPad that's just moved slightly away from the iPhone. Now that it's recorded, just simply upload it into an editor such as CapCut, which is free. Make any edits, add any B-roll, and then export. There are many free editors like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve that are fantastic. If you already know how to use a particular editor, make sure to just use that one. I use the free version of CapCut for all my videos. Now, I'm not going to cover the editing techniques here because there are a lot of YouTube videos online that you can find that delve into the specific editor that you're using. And just like that, you've got a video. You're done. No more waiting, no more perfect planning. Now go shoot it. Now, if you're feeling at all uncomfortable about uploading it, remember, you can always replace it. And I promise you'll feel 100 times better once it's live. I've linked my own channel trailer in the description so you can see a real example. And if you want help step by step as you grow your channel, subscribe. We're just getting started.